Author's note. At the rear of the book, and as an attached file for the audiobook, are a series of appendices. They deal with the mechanical aspects of the system that would be intrusive in the chapters themselves, particularly in the audiobook version. I think we all remember certain chapters of the earlier books in the series. The appendices consist of Jason's character sheet, shortened summaries of his abilities at gold rank, and a list of his increasingly absurd boons and afflictions. Note that not every ability is directly demonstrated in the book, but are included for the sake of completion. Chapter 0. Don't Tell Humphrey. What I Did on Your Holidays by Velotraxastash, age 22, homeschooled. Dear Jason, this is stupid. Why do I have to do this dumb exercise like I'm a child? I'm a small business owner. Please don't tell Humphrey about that, Uncle Jason. You know he'll just start trying to take over, thinking I can't do it, when I definitely can. I've made almost no flour silos explode, set fire to one farmer, and suddenly I'm the irresponsible one. He got healed. I agreed to do this stupid thing before Humphrey stopped to ask why I was ordering industrial quantities of flour. Honestly, I do not understand how he hasn't figured out that I run a bakery. Maybe if he and Sophie weren't going off to their room several times a day, he wouldn't be so distracted. What are they even doing in there? They use a privacy screen, so I can't tell, and Auntie Farah refused to help me disable it so we could peek. Anyway, now Humphrey is making me do this, so you know all the things that happened while you were away fighting a space bird and the guy who makes universes, who sucks, but you know that. Humphrey thought you should hear about all the stuff we did. And we did have lots of fun adventures. Not like when you're around, though. All the crazy stuff happens when you're here. Remember when we were in that transformation zone before you left? Good guys and bad guys all scattered around trying to find each other. We got to fight all different kinds of monsters. That was so fun! Everyone was trying to take over places so they could be king of the pocket universe or something. I just liked having cool fights and seeing weird stuff happen. Mostly. When people started giving up their territory to you and then had to poop for 3 days, that was gross. Of course, you ended up being king or whatever. We had to fight all those people with wings, but some of them went to live in your soul? Then we had to fight a giant tree, and that went to live in your soul too, and now it's a whole forest. You're weird, Uncle Jason, and that's coming from a dragon that can turn into anyone, which makes me the most handsome boy. Because I can turn into whoever is the most handsome, and then become even more handsome with a mustache. I haven't even talked about all the crazy stuff you did either. You made a rabbit man who controlled lightning towers, and now I'm not the youngest. Finally. Doesn't stop Humphrey from treating me like I'm still a kid. Nick has been off learning to be an adventurer at the same place where Humphrey grew up. That was where we met, and you guessed that I was a dragon because of my inescapably regal bearing. Oh, and we had to fight those priests and their undead army again. What kind of idiot worships things that died already? If you can't worship it while it's still alive, move on, stupid! You and Uncle Gary had to fight the leftover bits of their dumb dead god. Oh, now I'm sad. Uncle Gary was amazing when he drank from that god's weird cup and was all big and gold and on fire, but now he's gone. It's been a lot of years, but I still miss him. He was the best at scratching behind my ears when I'm a puppy. Don't tell Humphrey. But the stupid cup made him get sick and die. You won't catch me drinking things out of strange cups, unless it smells really good, obviously. A lot of things good for dunking biscuits come in cups. When that was all done, you went and made a city out of clouds, except deep underground. Which makes no sense, by the way. Clouds go in the sky, Uncle Jason. Get your act together. And then you went off and left us all behind. Again. Didn't Humphrey get done telling you off about that right before you did it again? Anyway, you've been gone for so long now, doing more weird stuff without us. But we've been doing fun things too, so nyeh. Your friend Zara has joined Team Biscuit, best name ever, and has been blowing things up with big storms. No one makes her write stupid things when she does it, and she doesn't even own a bakery. She's supposedly not a princess anymore, but she keeps telling people that so much that it definitely seems like